Problem set 76, using both substitution and elimination. As for negative vectors, what's your vector, Victor? Over, under, Roger, Roger. We don't do vectors, so you don't have to worry about the second part of problem set 76, stuff like this. No go. But we're focusing on using both substitution and elimination. Now, usually we only have two equations and two variables. But now we have three equations and three variables. And if we had four equations, we would need four variables, and so on and so on. Now, this is quite simple. You just have to solve this last one for x by adding 3z to each side. If you add 3z, you would get x equals 3z. Correct? Now you take that information and plug it into the other two equations. And then you use substitution or elimination regularly. So, let's see, 2 times 3z, because that's what x is, right, plus 2y, minus z equals 12. And then 3 times 3z, I always use parentheses when I substitute stuff in, minus y plus 2z equals 21. Now you see how I make my z's? I made that switch during this book when I took it in high school because my 2's looked like my z's. So I changed my 2 to a curly 2, no more 2 like that, and I changed my z to a z with a line through it so I would never mix these up again. So just a thought. Here you have 6z plus 2y minus z equals 12. And here you have 9z minus y plus 2z equals 21. So 6z minus 1z is 5z plus 2y. You see how these go together? These go together. And now I'm redoing this top equation again. Plus 2y equals 12. And I have 9z plus 2z, which is 11z, minus y equals 21. And now, so now I have two equations, two variables. I'm probably going to multiply this bottom equation by 2. Eliminate the y's, solve for z. Once you know z, then you can solve for x. Once you know x and z, then you can solve for y. That one key opens up the whole door. So that's problem set 76. We do not do the vectors. No vectors. But we are going to do this using both substitution and elimination. Pretty simple.